Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's topic, let us learn generating e-certificate for webinar. So let's take an example that you are a share market broker and you are conducting various webinars for your participants. You have created a form and whenever a participant completes the webinar, you ask them to fill the form to receive the certificate. Now, you want that whenever a participant completes the webinar, automatically a certificate should be created and it should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant. For doing this, you have two options. First, take the details of the forms of each and every participant. Then manually create a certificate. Then compose a message in WhatsApp and send the certificate to your participant. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process. And it becomes impossible if you have hundreds and thousands of participants into your webinar. So how you're going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever you receive a response in your forms, automatically a certificate will be created and automatically the same certificate along with a message will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant. So here we are using Google Forms for collecting the responses of the participants who have attended the webinar. We are going to use Google Slides for creating the certificates online, and WhatsApp, as we all know, it's a social media platform and we are going to send the certificates on WhatsApp of the participants. But here there is one problem, that there is no direct connection between Google Forms, Google Slides and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Google Forms with Google Slides and then with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. Here, we are using Google Forms for collecting the responses of the participants. Instead of Google Forms, you can use any other form builder application like JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, etc. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Google Form, webinar certificate form. I want that whenever this form is filled, automatically using this particular template, a certificate should be created in my Google Drive over here. And the same certificate should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant over here along with a message. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith. Let's give the email address as adamsmith59@gmail.com. And let's give the mobile number over here. And let's click on submit. So your response has been recorded. Okay, so here we can see the response is recorded. Now let us check whether a certificate is created or not. I'll just go here in my Google Drive and here we can see Adam Smith, a certificate has been created. Okay, I'll just go to WhatsApp also. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the webinar on stock market. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Prakhar Share Brokers. Okay, so here we can see a file also. I'll just download this file and let us see what is there inside it. Okay, and here we can see a certificate, Prakhar Share Brokers, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Adam Smith for attending a webinar on stock market. Here the date is mentioned and here the director's seal and sign is mentioned. Okay. So here you might be wondering that I just filled a form over here, a Google form, and automatically a certificate is created into my Google Drive and the same certificate is sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 5 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Google Forms to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will offer us a webhook URL. By using that webhook URL, we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Google Forms. Step 2. Collect the Google Forms data in Pabbly Connect. So here at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Google Forms. Step 3. Send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Google Forms, the same data will be sent to Google Slides and a certificate will be created using a template. Step 4. Save the certificate in Google Drive. So the certificate which we have created in Google Slides, that certificate will be saved into the Google Drive. Step 5. Send certificates on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 5, the certificate which is created in Google Slides and which is saved in Google Drive, that certificate will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Drive and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. So this is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll just click on sign in. Here in the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is a dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now let us give the workflow name. I'll just give the workflow name as generate e-certificate for webinar. And let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of triggers and actions. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to automatically generate a certificate for our webinar. As we have collected the responses in Google Forms, so let us select the trigger application name as Google Forms. Let us select Google Forms over here. Here in the trigger event, we have to select new response in spreadsheet. Here we can see a webhook URL is displayed, okay, and some steps are also given. Some instructions are also mentioned. So let us read the instructions. Google Forms responses are collected in Google Sheets. So follow the below steps in order to get the new responses. Go to the form on which you want to take submissions and make last question as a required for trigger. Okay, so first we have to go to our Google Forms which I have already created. Then we have to switch to responses tab and click on create spreadsheet icon. So I'll take you to my Google form. This is the Google form which I have created, webinar certificate form. Please fill this form to get your webinar certificate on your WhatsApp. Here I have given the webinar date and time. Here I have asked for the participant's name, email address and phone number. So let us create an entry over here first. And I'll just click on preview. Yes. And here we are going to type Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 25@gmail.com. And let's give the mobile number over here 79997249118. Okay, and let's click on submit. So here we can see your response has been recorded. Okay, now let's go to our form, and here we can see in the responses tab 1 is displayed. It means we have received 1 response. I'll just click on this, and here we can see the details of the participant which we have filled just now, Sanjay Sharma, and his email address and mobile number. Now here we have to click on these 3 dots, and here we can see the second option, that is select response destination. Just click on this. Here we have 2 options, create a new spreadsheet or you have to select the existing spreadsheet. So I'm just going to create a new spreadsheet for collecting the responses. The spreadsheet name is automatically captured as webinar certificate responses. If you want to change it, you can change it. And now let's click on create. Linking to spreadsheet, and spreadsheet is linked. Okay. Now we have to come to this green sign. Click on view responses in sheets. Let's click on this. Here we can see webinar certificate responses. This sheet is created and the details which we have filled in the form about the participants, they are captured in the Google Sheet. Okay. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and read the next instructions. Now we have to navigate to add-ons and go to get add-ons. Okay, I'll just take you to my spreadsheet once again. Here we have to go to extensions and we can find the add-ons option. Let's click on add-ons and let's click on get add-ons. Now it has taken us to Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Let's click on this. You have to install Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system. Okay. As you can see, it has already been installed on my system. I'll just close this window. Once the Pabbly Connect Webhooks is installed on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat, after installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks on your system, you have to refresh your Google Sheet. Once the Google Sheet is refreshed, again go to add-ons, click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and this time click on initial setup. Now here we have to give the webhook URL, the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Simply copy this webhook URL from here, go back to our sheet, spreadsheet, and here we have to paste that webhook URL. Okay. Now here we have to give the trigger column. So let us read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So in my case, you can see that I have the data in column A, B, C and D. Okay. I want the data to be captured till column D. So here in the trigger column, I will be giving the trigger column as column D. Say if you have the data till column F and you want the data to be captured till column F, you have to give the trigger column as column F over here. Okay. And now let's click on send test. Here we can see test data sent successfully. Okay. And now let's click on submit. Again we have to go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and this time click on send on event option. Why we are selecting this option? Just because whenever the next time a participant fills the form, automatically that form response will be collected in this Google Sheet and the same data will be captured by Pabbly Connect. We don't have to link the data again and again. Okay, so I'll just click on this. Make sure, let's go to extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, okay, and make sure you have a tick mark on send on event option. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the response is received. Okay, we can see the timestamp, date and time is captured, name, email address, phone number and the row index of the participant is captured over here. All the details which we have in our sheet over here. Okay, so now we can see that the timestamp is in the format of MM, DD and YY. That is month, date and year format along with the time. So we don't want to include the time in our certificate first of all. And even this particular format is also not required. I want the format to be in DDMMYY, that is date, month and year. So for that, I'll just go to the action window, open it, and here in the action application, let us select date and time formatter. In the action event, we have to select format date only. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to give the date, enter date to be formatted. Which date we want to format? So the date was this timestamp date. So we are going to map this now. Let us select timestamp from Google Forms. Okay. Now it is asking for two format. In which format you want to convert this date? So I want the date in DDMMYY format. This one, DDMMYY. So let us select this format. From format I am not selecting, just it is not required. I am leaving it as blank and let us click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the response is received and the result is correct. That is 19th of October 2021. That is the correct date is captured over here in DD, MM and YY format. Now, we want that using the details of this particular participant, automatically a certificate should be created in Google Slides. So again, we have to create an action window over here. Let us click on Add Application. Here in the action window, let us select Google Slides. I'll be selecting Google Slides here. In the action event, let us select Create Presentation from Template. So we will be using a template for creating the certificate. Now let's click on Connect. Here we have to click on Add New Connection and connect with Google Slides. Now here it is asking choose an account. In which account you want to create the certificate? I'll choose the account over here. Now let's give the access. Pabbly Connect want the access. I'll just click on Continue as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, authorization successful, and now it is getting connected. Google Slides are getting connected to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is already connected. Now here we have to give the template presentation. So I'll just take you to the certificate template which I have already created. So this is the certificate which I have already created, okay, but we are not using it right now. Let us learn how to create this type of certificate first. For that, I'll just click on this plus sign. A new tab will be open. Here I'll just go to my Gmail account, okay, and here you can find 9 dots over here, Google Apps. We have to click on these 9 dots, and here we can find many options. Let us scroll down, and here we can find Google Slides option. Let's click on this. So these are the Google Slides. Here we have to click on this blank one, plus sign, and a new slide will be open. So now here let us give the file name as webinar certificate template. Okay, webinar certificate template. And now here we can see add title and subtitle options are available. Here we can give the title name. So let's see the certificate. It's Prakhar Share Brokers. We can give the same title over here also. That is Prakhar Share Brokers. And we can adjust the size of this particular title. Okay. Now here we can add the subtitle also. We can give it as certificate of appreciation. Okay, we can adjust the spacing and the space of this particular template, this particular box also. Okay, now here we can see various theme options are available. We can find any of the themes from here. As per our requirement, we can have this theme, okay, or we can have this one also. Various options are available. We can choose the theme as per our requirement. Okay, so let us move on to move with this theme itself, and I'll just make this box in the center so that it looks a little bit good. Okay, now we should add one more text box. This is a text box. We can add some text by using this particular box, and I'll be just pasting it over here, and I'll be typing this is to certify that, and again the name of the participant is required over here. So I'll just give the name in the curly braces, participant name, and I'll just close the curly braces. Okay, we will adjust all those boxes accordingly, the text boxes. First let us type all the text which is required, and one more text is required. Has successfully, sorry, I'll just type it again, SUCCESS, successfully completed the webinar on stock market. Okay, And let's give the full stop. And I'll just adjust this text box. Has successfully completed the webinar on stock market. Okay, after that we require the date also. Again, one more text box for the date. So let us write again the date in curly braces, just because the date parameter is going to change. Two curly braces and then the date, and then again two curly braces for closing the parameter. And after the date we require the name of the owner or the president or whoever he is. So I'll just take one more and one more text box, and here we'll be giving the director name. Okay, director name. Now let us adjust all these text boxes. I want this to be in the center alignment. For that I'll just close this themes and we can adjust the alignments from here. This is to certify that. Again, the participant name also I want in the center alignment. Okay, and I'll just adjust the text box. Okay. I'll be moving it to the left side. Okay, has successfully completed the webinar on stock market. Date is okay, and director name. So I'll be just adjusting the date box also. Okay, and director also. So in this way we can even just change the color of this particular box. Okay, I'll just make it a little bit small as it is too big. Okay, and now let us bring it in the center. We can make it as bold. We can adjust the size from here. Okay, if you want to change the font, you can change the font from here. Okay, and if you want to change the color of the text, this is the text color box. You can change the color to any color you want. Okay, and even you can fill the box with the color if you want to fill it. So this is the filling color option. By this you can fill the box with any color you want. Okay, so I'll just change the color. It's not looking good. Okay, let us give it this color. So in this way you can create a certificate, Prakash Share Brokers Certificate of Appreciation. This is to certify that. Here we have kept the participant name in curly braces because the participant name is going to change. Here we'll be giving the date. It is also going to change. If you want to add some image for this director seal or signature or anything else, or for your logo, so you can add some images from your drive or from your photos, or you can upload it from your computer if you have the file in your computer. So in this way you can create a certificate very easily. Okay, so now I have already created a certificate. I'll be showing you that once again, Prakash Share Brokers. So we are going to use this particular certificate right now, certificate webinar. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here in the template presentation option we are going to select certificate webinar. Okay, now here we have to give the title of the new presentation. So what should be the name, the file name of the new presentation? So I want the file name to be the row index, that will be unique for everyone. Then I'll just give a small dash, and then I want the name of the participant, that is Sanjay Sharma. So the file name would be 2-Sanjay Sharma. Here it is asking for new presentation location. Where do you want to save this particular file? So I want to save this file into my Google Drive. So I'll take you to my Google Drive. Here you can find the option plus and new is written. So let's click on new. The first option is folder. Let us click on this. Here we can give the folder name, that is webinar certificates, and let's click on create. And here we can see that the certificate folder is created. I'll just open this certificate folder and let us select this particular folder in Pabbly Connect. And now let us select the folder over here, that is webinar certificates. Let's click on this. Okay. Now here enter the value for the name. So let's go to the certificate first. Here we can see the curly braces. Here we have to give the name. So let us select the name in Pabbly Connect. I'll just go to Google Forms and here we want the name of the participant to be displayed. So let us map this name. The next parameter we have given was the date. So here we want the date. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here I'll just select the date from date and time formatter. Let us select this one. Okay, and now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Here we can see the responses received and a presentation ID is generated over here. Okay, I'll just maximize this. It means a certificate is created. So let us go to our folder and let us see whether a certificate is created or not. I'll just go to Google Drive and yes, here we can see 2-Sanjay Sharma. This was the file name which we have given. Let us open this certificate. And yes, here we can see Prakhar Share Broker Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to. Here the Sanjay Sharma name is reflecting. And here we can see the date also, that is 19th October 2021. Okay. So it means a correct certificate is generated. Okay. Just by giving these two parameters in curly braces, the certificate got changed. Okay. Again, let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now we want to convert this particular certificate into a PDF file so that it can be shared with anyone. Okay. So I'll be just clicking on this plus sign once again, add application. Here in the action window, we have to select Google Drive. Here in the action event, let us select share a file with anyone. Let's click on connect. Again, we have to click on add new connection, connect with Google Drive. Here we have to choose an account once again. Where do we want to save this particular certificate? So I'll just select the account. Here again, Pabbly Connect wants the access. I'll just click on continue and give the access. Okay, authorization successful and now it is connected. Here we can see the file ID is required. So the file ID will be the presentation ID which we have created. Okay. So let us map this particular presentation ID over here. For mapping, we have to just click on this mapping button. Okay, just make it enable and just erase this data as it is not required. And from Google Slides, we are going to select the presentation ID. And now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Responses received. Okay. Now here we can see the file name is captured, that is 2Sanjay Sharma. Okay. And when we scroll down, we can see export links application /PDF. It means a PDF file is generated now. Okay. This is the PDF file link. Now we want to send the WhatsApp message to this particular participant. For that, I'll just scroll down. Here again we'll come to this plus sign, add application. And in the application, we are going to select 360 dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Let's click on connect. Here again we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions first. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, so first we have to go to our 360 dialog account and then we will be moving to WhatsApp account page. So let me take you to my 360 dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 dialog account. I have added the link of 360 dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 dialog application and get 360 dialog service at a very affordable price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp account. So let's click on this. Here we can find generate API key option. You have to click on generate API key option. You have to generate an API key. And once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different workflows also. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. So as I have already generated one API key, I will be using the same API key. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we have to paste the API key. Now the domain, enter the domain here which you will get by generating the API key. Example is also given, that is https://waba. So I'll just copy this and I will paste the domain name over here. Whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, so please paste that domain name over here. In my case, I have received this domain name, so I have pasted this over here. Okay. So I already have a connection with a connection over here, so I'll not be creating a new connection. You have to create a new connection. Please paste API key and domain name and then click on save. Okay. So here I'll be choosing my existing connection. Okay, and let's click on save. And now here we can see that Pabbly Connect is connected to 360 Dialog account. So here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the participant. So you cannot directly send the messages to anyone on WhatsApp. First you have to create a template. Then only you will be able to send the template messages on WhatsApp. So that is the reason we have to select a specific template over here for sending the messages. I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account once again. And here we can find manage templates option. You can see I have already created so many templates over here. If you want to create a new template, just click on this plus sign, add template, and you can create a template. Okay. And here I'll just open the template which I have already created for this particular workflow. Hello, here again the first parameter. Congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed here the course name is going to come in the second parameter, and here the name of the particular participant is going to reflect. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know this certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards. And here the institute name or the organization name is going to reflect. Okay. So we are going to use this particular template, that is certificate_link. So we'll just go to Pabbly Connect and let us find certificate_link, this one. Now here we can see the namespace and language code is automatically captured. We are not going to change anything over here. Here we have to give the recipient mobile number. So mobile number we have got it from Google Forms. Just go to Google Forms and we'll just map the mobile number, this one. Here the instruction is also given, enter the recipient mobile number with country code. An example is also given, +91. As we are in India, we use +91 as a country code. So I'll just add +91 before the number. Please enter your country code over here. Okay. Now here we have to give header document URL. .pdf is also given. So we have to map the .pdf file. This file which we have got from Google Drive. So let us map this from Google Drive. I'll just go to Google Drive. And from here we are going to select the PDF file, this one, export links application/PDF. Okay. Now here we have to give header document file name. So file name which we have given was 2- and the name of the participant, this one. Let us select this. Now here we have to give body field 1, example Mahesh. So body field 1, I'll just take you to my template once again. This is the body field 1. Here we have to give the name. So let us give the name of the participant. I'll just go to Google Forms and the name was Sanjay Sharma. Let us map this. Body field 2, example digital marketing. So in our case, body field 2, we require the course name. So in our certificate, okay, it's loading. So in our certificate, the course name is Stock Market Webinar. So we can write webinar on stock market. I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and here let us type webinar on stock market. Okay. Now here body field 3, example is given ABS Institute. We have to give the institute or organization name. In our template also, yes, we have to give it. So the organization name is Prakhar Share Brokers. So we have to write this. Let's write Prakhar Share Brokers. And now let's click on save and send test request. So now here we can see the response is received. So let us move to WhatsApp and check whether we have received some message over there or not. I'll just go to WhatsApp. So yes, here we can see a new message. I'll just open this message and let us see. Hello Sanjay Sharma, congratulations. We are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the webinar on stock market. Please find the attached PDF containing your certificate. We know the certificate will be a great addition to your resume and we want to help you get there. Hope for your significant and successful career in life. Best regards, Prakhar Share Brokers. Okay, so here we can see the first parameter is name mentioned. The second parameter we have given was webinar on stock market is given. And the third parameter we have given was Prakhar Share Brokers. All these are captured over here correctly. Now let us check the certificate also. I'll just download this certificate and let me open it. Okay, so here we can see that Prakhar Share Broker Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is proudly presented to Sanjay Sharma for attending a webinar on stock market. So the same certificate which we have created here, it is sent on the WhatsApp number of the participant. Okay, so I'll just go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, so now we are going to check this in the real time. For this we have to go to our Google Forms once again. Here again I'll just click on preview and open a new form. And let us give the form details over here. Let's give it as Shikha Arya. Let's give the email address also. Shikha Arya 58@gmail.com. And I'll be giving the same mobile number over here just to check whether the participant receives the message or not. I'll just click on submit. So your response has been recorded. Okay, so now let us check our certificate has been created in our Google Drive or not. And yes, here we can see 3-Shikha Arya certificate is created. Now let's check the WhatsApp also. I'll just go to WhatsApp and here we can see hello Shikha Arya. Congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the webinar on stock market. The same message is sent to Shikha Arya also. I'll just download the certificate and I'll just open it. Okay, the certificate is proudly presented to Shikha Arya for attending webinar on stock market. Date is mentioned. Okay, so here we can see that the correct certificate is created. Okay, I'll just go to Pabbly Connect. So in this way we have seen that we have created a successful integration. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'll just minimize this and WhatsApp also. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Google form is filled, automatically a certificate should be created in the Google Slides. The same certificate should be saved into the Google Drive and a PDF file should be converted. And the same certificate should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the particular participant. Here we have learned how to create the certificates using Google Slides. Okay, and we have also used date and time formatter to format the date. And for sending the messages, we have used the WhatsApp. We have used the 360 dialog application. So in this way, we have created the successful integration between Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Drive, and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.